Let's say you've just zipped up your suitcase, double-checked your passport, and you're headed to the airport, only to get pulled aside by the TSA. They pop open your luggage, frown, and suddenly you're watching your favorite item get tossed into a bin. Why? Because TSA just updated its banned list for 2025, and it includes some shockers. Stick around, because these newly forbidden banned items are hiding in your bag right now, and TSA banned item number 6 is so common it caught even frequent flyers off guard. Before we move forward, take a second to like, subscribe, and press the bell icon. Now, let's continue with these essential travel smarter, not harder tips. TSA ban number 1. Rechargeable toothbrushes. So you think your electric toothbrush is travel-friendly? Not anymore. If the lithium battery can't be removed, it's officially grounded. TSA is now treating non-removable lithium battery devices like potential fire hazards in checked bags. Here is your pro tip. Pack your toothbrush in your carry-on bag or risk tossing it out before security even blinks. And don't assume agents will give you a heads up. Many travelers find out the hard way, watching pricey gadgets get dumped. Stay smart, check your gear, and always double-check those TSA rules before zipping up your suitcase. TSA banned number 2. CBD oils and THC products. They may be legal in your state, but the TSA doesn't care. In 2025, new international alignment laws mean CBD oils, even under 0.3% THC, are now flagged for confiscation at many US airports, especially if packed in checked bags. Think you're safe with relaxation gummies? Think again. Agents are cracking down hard. Some travelers have even faced delays or questioning over a single CBD balm. Pro tip: always check state to state and the federal guidelines, or better yet, leave the edibles at home. It's not worth missing your flight over something that won't even survive the TSA conveyor belt. TSA ban number 3. Smart luggage with GPS. These techie bags were all the rage. But TSA's updated rules say that if the GPS module or power bank is non-removable, your bag doesn't fly, and neither do you. Checked bags or carry-on bags, it doesn't matter. The concern? Lithium batteries plus pressurized cabins equals potential combustion. Some airlines won't even let you check in if your bag's battery can't be removed on the spot or the battery fails to be unlocked and removed from your luggage. Here is your quick fix. If your smart bag allows battery removal, carry the battery with you in the cabin. Always. Save yourself the hassle, the lecture, and possibly missing your gate call. TSA ban number 4. Sealed canned food. Grandma's famous chili in a can, banned. In 2025, TSA expanded its rules on pressurized containers, and that includes sealed food cans. Why? It's not about the contents, it's about gas expansion and potential rupture mid-flight. One pop in mid-air and it's a messy, dangerous pressure bomb that no one wants in the cargo hold or in the overhead bin. Here is what pro travelers do. If you're traveling with food, switch to vacuum-sealed pouches or pack it in your carry-on bag instead. Bonus tip: always double bag sauces and soups unless you want your luggage marinating in a sticky sauce. TSA ban number 5. Fluid-filled car parts. Shipping car parts or tools. If there's any trace of oil, coolant, or fuel, TSA now considers it a hazmat risk. Even things like used spark plugs or chainsaws can get flagged if they haven't been fully drained and cleaned. One whiff of gas or a greasy residue, and your bag's getting pulled and possibly confiscated. Why would you want that? Check out this solution. Ship through a courier or clean, dry, and label everything clearly before checking it in. Save yourself time, stress, and awkward questions by the TSA at the security counter over why your duffel smells like motor oil. TSA ban number 6. Nail polish remover. Here's the kicker. TSA just added acetone-based liquids like nail polish remover to the no-fly list for checked bags. Why? Highly flammable, pressurized conditions, and extremely volatile. It's not just a beauty product anymore, it's a flagged chemical. Even a tiny leak could trigger a full bag inspection or, worse, get your luggage pulled off the plane. No need to worry. Here is your pro tip. If you need it, get a travel-safe version and pack it in your carry-on bag under the TSA liquid limits regulation rule, or just grab it at your destination. Beauty essentials are replaceable. Flight delays because of acetone? Not so much. Be the one who travels smarter, not harder. TSA ban number 7. Souvenir snow globes. I hate to break it to you, but your snow globe from Paris, even the cute ones, is likely getting trashed. TSA's 2025 revision cracks down on liquid-filled decorative items, especially if the liquid volume isn't labeled or can't be measured. Worse, the glass makes it doubly risky. TSA agents won't hesitate to toss your precious trinket with sentimental value, which doesn't meet TSA-approved regulations for 2025, in the trash, right in front of you, watching as your heart sinks. What to do? Buy those types of items at duty-free post-security or ship them home. Pro tip: if you must bring one, make sure it's under 3.4 ounces and fits into your liquids bag, and it is TSA compliant. Yes, even for glitter. TSA banned number 8. Large power banks. This one ruins trips every week with high-capacity power banks left in checked luggage. TSA now has stricter watt-hour caps. If yours exceeds 100 watt-hours and it's in the cargo hold, guess what? It's banned. Worse yet, if it's flagged during screening, your entire bag could be offloaded. Say goodbye to your connection flight. What's the fix? Take it in your carry-on bag, put duct tape on the terminals, and always check your device specs before you pack them. Pro tip: if your power bank is above 100 to 160 watt-hours, you'll need airline approval. No exceptions, no excuses. Travel smart. Pack your bags even smarter. TSA banned number 9. Pressurized spray cans. Planning a beach trip or camping adventure? Aerosol cans, even sunscreen or deep bug sprays are now heavily restricted in checked bags by the TSA for 2025. Why? Because all those types of containers are pressurized and flammable. One leak or rupture mid-flight, and it's a recipe for in-flight chaos. Don't risk it. Do this pro tip: switch to lotion-based versions of sunscreen or bug repellent, or declare them in your carry-on bag under the 3.4 ounces liquid rule. Better yet, grab travel-size pumps or wipes. Same protection with none of the TSA drama. Now, wasn't that easy? TSA banned number 10. Homemade unlabeled liquids. TSA officers are now empowered to discard any liquid in your checked bag that isn't clearly labeled. That artisanal hot sauce you bottled at home? Don't pack it. Unlabeled liquids are banned. Even essential oils, unless commercially sealed and labeled, could be flagged. No label equals no mercy from the TSA in 2025. Homemade doesn't equal harmless in the TSA's handbook. Here's the final word on TSA just banned common items from checked bags in 2025. If it's not labeled, it's not safe according to the new TSA 2025 rules. Here is another pro tip for you. Stick to factory-sealed bottles with ingredient lists or risk losing it all at the checkpoint. Bonus tip: did you know that your bag could be delayed or destroyed by the TSA? TSA is not just confiscating bags with questionable items, those items are now being held, delayed, or outright destroyed. You won't just lose your stuff, you might miss your flight or face a fine. This isn't fear-mongering. It's happening at airports right now. So travel smarter, not harder. Which of these TSA banned common items from checked bags in 2025 surprised you the most? Let me know in the comments below. I love hearing about your travel experiences. If you found these insider travel tips valuable, hit that like button and subscribe to our channel. It really helps more smart travelers like you to discover these hidden strategies. Turn on notifications, because we will be sharing more powerful travel secrets every week. Remember, travel isn't just about the destination, it's about reclaiming the joy that every journey should bring. Have you ever had something weird get confiscated by the TSA? Drop your story in the comments. We might feature it in our next video. Don't forget to double-check your bags. Watch our next video for more unknown travel tips that save you time and money. Let's travel.